What's up, guys? John and Sharice here.
Hi.
So we're in another Titan Medical Center sponsored event, WCFL. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's an event thrown by Rafael Garcia, MMA, and it's going to be a good night. I think these guys are going to bring a lot of passion, a lot of fight to this ring tonight. What do you think, Sharice? I
always like the fighting and, you know, violence. It's my kind of thing. So I like coming to things like this. It's always fun. So I'm excited about it.
She always liked MMA, so as long as it's legal and it's done properly, there's somebody there watching, reffing. This is a good sport, and I mean, me personally, I don't know if I'd like to get in the ring that much, but hey, listen, these guys got a passion for it, and we're gonna see it tonight. So big ups to Rafael Garcia, Titan Medical Center, WCFL. Let's see what these guys are gonna do in the ring tonight. WCFL, it was an awesome night. Titan Medical Center, main sponsor here, and man, these guys brought the pain. But let me tell you who really stole the show. These women, they came out, oh my God, that was the best fight of the night. These girls were like, but with the punches and the kicks.
They had heart. They had heart.
Oh man, they were
kept
connecting.
going and going, no matter what.
It was awesome. It was definitely cool. So really cool experience. Had a whole bunch of family out here, friends. Titan Medical Center was definitely in the house. We had our athletes and our practitioners in the house, so it was really, really cool, really fun event. We can't wait for the next one. Join us on our other lifestyle events and these great events that we're doing here at WCFL.
See you soon.